Hello everyone! Today I was participating in Japan Grey Line's Tokyo tour. Now that the tour is over, I'm here in Asakusa. Since the evening scenery is so beautiful, I thought I'd take a little walk around before heading home. I'd love to share the traditional streets and atmosphere with you as we stroll along. Asakusa in the evening has a magical and nostalgic charm that's quite different from the daytime vibe. Enjoy it with me. This is one of Asakusa's must-visit spots, a lively street where tradition meets modernity. Stretching from Kaminarimon Gate, this street is extremely popular with tourists. It's filled with colorful souvenirs and traditional Japanese sweets, creating an exciting atmosphere just by walking through. This street beautifully blends local traditions with modern, pop-inspired elements. Be sure to take your time strolling and capture the sights with your camera. In the evening, the street takes on a nostalgic charm. Since the crowd starts thinning out around this time, it's also a perfect moment for photography. Look at the beauty of these cobblestones. Just walking here, you can feel the passage of time. Bathed in the soft light of the evening, the cobblestones and the old buildings create a nostalgic atmosphere that transports you to another time. This street is beautifully lit as well. There are plenty of popular restaurants here that often have long lines. Be sure to check them out. At the storefronts, you'll find handmade Japanese crafts and beautiful artisan products. Be sure to take your time and carefully admire any items that catch your eye. This street, lined with traditional crafts and souvenir shops, is a rare spot where you can truly feel the essence of old Japan. This is a street called Orange Street. As the name suggests, the road itself is orange colored, and it looks especially beautiful in the evening. As the shops begin to close, the charm of the night starts to emerge. It's like walking through a living painting. Strolling here, you can forget the hustle and bustle of the city and feel as if you've wandered into a completely different world. Next, let's head from Denboin Street to Hoppy Street. This area is lined with popular izakayas loved by the locals. The colorful signs, bustling interiors, and the lively voices of the people create a vibrant atmosphere unique to Asakusa at night. As soon as you step onto Hoppy Street, you can instantly feel the energy of the city at night. The sounds of laughter, conversation, and the delicious aroma of food fill the air. This area is not only home to izakayas, but also has hidden gems tucked away in small alleyways. As you walk, you might come across unexpected discoveries. let's take a small detour from Hoppy Street and step into one of the alleyways. As you wander through, you'll come across hidden charm and glimpses of local life that are often overlooked. Sometimes, there's a thrilling sense of getting lost, an exciting part of this walk that makes it even more special. Narrow alleys and small shops create a nostalgic scene that takes you back in time. After wandering for a bit, let's return to the main route and continue our stroll. Here we are on the street with Don Quixote and Toyokan. It has a dazzling and charming atmosphere, quite different from during the daytime. Since we're here, let's take a stroll down this narrow alley. I have a feeling we might discover some hidden gems. Now we've made our way back to the previous street. The shops are getting busier, and the lively energy is really picking up. Following this flow, let's introduce another street filled with izakayas. Not many people know about it, so be sure to look forward to it. Let's head there on foot from here. Next, we'll visit Hatsune Koji, a food street. Here, around a slightly later time, the shops gradually begin to open, and the area becomes lively with locals. The variety of dishes is impressive, with each restaurant offering unique and flavorful tastes. On this food street, you can enjoy not only Japanese cuisine, but also Western and ethnic dishes. One of Asakusa's charms is how diverse cultures coexist. Let's take the time to savor the culinary culture in this area, which represents the traditional face of Asakusa. As the lights of the shops begin to glow one by one, the lively presence of the locals comes into view. This is truly the face of Asakusa at night. Now, we're reaching the final stretch of our walk. Let's stop by Sensoji Temple, one of the symbols of Asakusa, and take a moment to offer our prayers. The temple grounds at night exude a mysterious atmosphere, quite different from the daytime, and you can feel your mind and heart quietly calm down. Now we've stepped out of Hatsune Koji and arrived at Hanayashiki Street. In the evening, the street is beautifully illuminated by warm lights, creating a magical atmosphere. Here, you'll find Japan's oldest amusement park, Hanayashiki. Although it's already closed for the day during the daytime, this place is filled with the sounds of lively attractions and happy families. At night, the silhouette of the amusement park takes on a nostalgic charm, almost like a scene from a storybook. We're almost at Sensoji Temple. Let's enjoy this enchanting view as we walk along Hanayashiki Street. Now, we've reached the end of Hanayashiki Street and entered Sensoji Temple. Compared to the daytime, there are far fewer people here. Oh, look! The 5-story pagoda looks absolutely stunning. This spot is actually a popular photo spot in the evening. Be sure to visit and see it for yourself. We finally arrived at Sensoji Temple. During the day, it's bustling with many visitors, but at night, its deep tranquility stands out even more. The main hall, illuminated by soft lights, feels almost like a witness to history. How did you enjoy today's walk? hope you had fun experiencing the captivating blend of tradition and modernity, along with Asakusa's hidden charms. I hope this gives you some inspiration for your next visit to Tokyo. Stay tuned for more of Asakusa's appeal from a different perspective in the next adventure. Until then, see you on our next journey. Thank you so much.